Sir, yes sir. I'm going to send you the files, don't worry. Sir, I'll send you the files. Not today sir, sorry. Please. Give me a week's time, please. I'll send you there.
Do you need something?
What do you think? I need a new job. I need a new life. My boss thinks I'm a slave. Really?
I need some food.
This one?
Mama,
Yes, baby.
principal is asking for the fees.
I'll look to it. I'll go ask for the money today.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Sir, my daughter's school fees I need to pay. Can you give me the advance?
What are you speaking? It's not the end of the month and you need the advance? You will not get a single pound. Get out of here.
ये देख सच नर्ड रहा काम वाले की भाई की बेटी काम वाली बनना है तो क्या करती रहती है चल
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I am you
Just go away.
Stop! You have no rights to hit me. Without me, the house will fall apart.
Hey, wait, stop.
काम वाली की बेटी हो तो क्या? मुझसे ज्यादा मार्क्स आती है. शर्म कर लो.